How did the Human Rights Declaration become international law? Imagine a world where everyone's basic rights are recognized and protected. That dream became a reality through a long journey of cultural moments and societal changes. The story begins after the chaos of World War II, when nations wanted to prevent future atrocities. They realized they needed a common standard that all countries could agree on. This led to the creation of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, or UDHR, in 1948. The process started within the United Nations Commission on Human Rights in 1947. They wanted to draft a clear list of rights that everyone should have. This was not easy because countries had different cultures, laws, and beliefs. The drafting committee worked through many meetings, balancing these diverse views. They aimed to create a declaration that was fair and acceptable to all. Once the draft was ready, it was reviewed by the United Nations Economic and Social Council. After some revisions, it was sent to the General Assembly for a final vote. From September to December of 1948, the General Assembly discussed every part of the document. Countries proposed changes, debated, and finally agreed. On December 10, 1948, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights was adopted with a vote of 48 in favor, none against, and 8 abstentions. This moment marked a new chapter in history. It was the first time the world officially recognized that all humans have rights that cannot be taken away. These rights include freedom from torture, equality before the law, and the right to education. Even though the UDHR itself is not a legally binding treaty, it became part of what is called customary international law. This means that nations around the world follow its principles because they see them as standards of conduct. The declaration inspired many binding treaties like the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights and the International Covenant on Economic, Social, and Cultural Rights. These treaties, along with the UDHR, form what is known as the International Bill of Human Rights. The influence of the UDHR extends beyond laws. It became a cultural milestone, symbolizing a global commitment to dignity and equality. It inspired the creation of human rights organizations and helped shape national laws protecting individual freedoms. Over time, it helped embed human rights into international relations and societal values. The transformation of the Human Rights Declaration into international law is a story of hope, cooperation, and progress. It shows how shared values can shape the way societies evolve and protect their citizens.